In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCloud with some handy tips specifically tailored for seniors. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident in managing your iCloud settings on your iPhone or iPad. So let's dive straight into it, shall we? First things first, you'll need to open the Settings app on your device. The Settings app is your go-to place for adjusting your phone's configuration, and you'll recognize its icon by its grey gears. Once you're inside settings, you're going to need to tap on your name or Apple ID, which you'll find right at the top of the screen. If for some reason you haven't signed in yet, this is where you'll need to enter your Apple ID credentials. Remember, your Apple ID is your gateway to all Apple services, including iCloud, so having it readily available is essential. Now, once you've accessed your Apple ID page, you want to look for the option that says iCloud. Tap on it, and this is where you can manage what you want to back up using iCloud. And here's where iCloud truly shines. It's designed to automatically and securely store information like your cherished photos, important contacts, valuable notes, and so much more. When you enter the iCloud settings, you'll see a list of different items that can potentially be backed up. All you need to do is turn on the toggles for each of the items you want to keep safe in the cloud. For example, turning on photos means every picture you take on your device will be saved and protected, so you don't have to worry about losing those precious memories. Next, after selecting what you want to back up, here's a crucial step. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is connected to Wi-Fi. iCloud backups work hand in hand with a stable internet connection, and using Wi-Fi ensures that your device does not consume mobile data, which can be costly and limited. Being connected to Wi-Fi allows for swift and uninterrupted syncing and backing up of your selected data. And there you have it, you're all set with your iCloud settings. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards securing your digital life with Apple's brilliant cloud service. Remember, the beauty of iCloud is in its ability to provide peace of mind, knowing that even if your device is lost or damaged, your information remains safe and accessible whenever you need it. We hope you found this guide easy to follow and that it empowers you to take full advantage of what your device has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.